Welcome back. You can see how messy my bed is in the back. How do I even style this? Like, this is... Can I just make my intro, please? What's going on, guys? It's your girl, Chubby Ling Ling here, and welcome back to my channel. Hello, my beautiful people. I hope everyone's having a good day today. I've gotten a request from one of my close friends on how to apply lashes on. Just wanted to do a simple look of me. Simple. We don't really get, we don't know each other, but I tried. Okay, I tried to minimize the products and the look and whatever, but this is my everyday simple look and how I would look if I just want to go run some errands. If you guys want to follow along in how I do this makeup look, if you want to see how I apply this on step by step, feel free to watch it. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want to see more content from me. Okay. I know a lot of people are gonna say, like, don't use hair glue for lash glue, it's not good in your eyes. Mind your business. I don't like this. I don't care what you use, but whatever, you can use that if you want to. Use whatever kind of tweezers you have. Usually you get tweezers, maybe plastic or metal, I don't care, that has like this on it, like that. I tried it, doesn't work for me. See, what works for some people don't work for you. Like, that, like this type of glue, shake it, put it on like a tissue or whatever. I'll just put it right here, just like that, at the end of your tweezers, or you can use a Q-tip, I don't care how you wet it, and just twist it out, because the little hairs can get caught to the glue and then you'll have that in your eye. The back of my tweezers, grab a bit of the glue, whichever one. Mine is that. You gotta work fast because these glues, like, they dry quick. Just put a thin layer right there. Blow a little bit. So look down, right? Look down. I don't know if you can see like this. Go from one corner first, right at the edge of where your eyelid and your eyelashes meet, and then put it together. Just push it down lightly. Make sure you really get into there. Just let it settle in a little bit, and then do the same thing for the other eye. Fast, okay, and then just move it and just align it with your lashes. These you can just let it dry and it'll just come off. I know I'm not rubbing it like a lotion, I'm literally just wiping it off, so it'll just come out like that. So what I like to do is, you see it looks a little crooked right here, so I push it in more just with your thumb and squeeze your eyelid together. Squeeze it, or close your eyes and press down, kind of like curl it. Yeah, hopefully you guys see how I apply my lashes. It works differently for everybody, but I try to get the basics of how to apply it on. Just try to get it as close to the lash line as possible. Always push in. So this is my look, my everyday look. I'm still on hunt for anyone out there in the same situation as me with the whole military girlfriend. Don't be afraid, message me. Don't hesitate to comment or hit me up on my socials. Everything will be listed down below. And I hope you guys are keeping safe out there. Don't go out if you don't need to. Always wear a mask. Don't believe those fools that don't want to wear a mask, because millions of people are dying. If you don't want to help others, help yourself. Wear a mask. Wash your hands. Don't forget to wash your butt. Be safe out there. Take care of others. And peace and love. Catch you next time.